So bored.
I'm breaking you out of jail. Come on, let's go.
Yes, let's go.
Oh, we're in the sewers. It stinks in here.
No, it doesn't. Oh, Squid.
Hello. Do you guys need to be broken out of jail? Oh, yes, please. Can you show us to the forest? Yeah, sure. Come on, let's go. Here you go. Here's the forest. Here's the forest, mate. Oh, thank you so much, Randy. You're welcome.